of the things that bugs me being a girl comic is that I'm terrible at sound effects. I can't do sound effects on the microphone. Most women can't. I'll prove it to you. Okay, if I wanted to make a machine gun noise, it'd be like... Yes, like that, Woody. Sounds like a dolphin goat. I know that. A bomb, a boosh. I can't do sound effects. And most women can't. We never learn how, but all the guys can. All the guys I work with, all the guys I know, they can all do sound effects. And guys can do it for the time they're real little. You know, like a 3-4-year-old boy can make it sound like there's an entire exciting war happening when absolutely nothing is actually going on. Which is weird, because when you fast forward 20 years, who's responsible for all the sound effects in the bedroom? But us women, right? Like, oh my gosh, you're so good at it. Whatever. We're supposed to make it sound like a very exciting sex thing is happening when absolutely nothing is actually going on. Girls giggle and the guys are like, wait, what?